Hey, welcome back to Top 5 Tray. Today we're diving into the Attack Shark X11 wireless gaming mouse, a budget-friendly option that's been gaining attention in the gaming community. With its tri-mode connectivity, high DPI sensor, and lightweight design, it's positioned as an attractive choice for gamers. But does it truly deliver on its promises? In this honest review, we'll explore its real-world performance, strengths, and areas where it might fall short. Remember, all the products featured in this video are linked in the description below, so be sure to check them out if you're interested. At first glance, the Attack Shark X11 boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, available in multiple colors, including white, black, and red. The mouse weighs in at just 63 grams, making it ultra lightweight and ideal for extended gaming sessions. Its compact dimensions, 128 x 64 by 40 mm, ensure it fits comfortably in most hands. Under the hood, the X11 is equipped with a PixArt PAW 3311 sensor, offering a DPI range from 800 up to 22,000. This allows for precise tracking and responsiveness, catering to various gaming genres. The mouse also features HUU switches rated for 20 million clicks, ensuring durability over time. One of the standout features is its tri-mode connectivity. You can use it wired via USB-C wirelessly through a 2.4 GHz connection, or via Bluetooth 5.2. This flexibility allows you to switch between devices seamlessly. Additionally, the included RGB charging dock not only charges the mouse magnetically, but also adds a stylish flair to your setup. Battery life is impressive, with up to 65 hours of usage on a single charge. The mouse also supports a polling rate of up to 1000 Hz, ensuring minimal input lag during intense gaming sessions. However, it's worth noting that some users have mentioned the plastic build feels a bit slippery, especially for those with dry hands. While the build quality is decent, it might not match the premium feel of higher-end mice. Additionally, the software for customizing settings and RGB lighting is functional, but lacks some advanced features found in competitors. Priced at approximately $34.99, the Attack Shark X11 offers substantial value for its features. It's an excellent choice for gamers seeking a lightweight, versatile mouse without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less, so be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely going to be one of them. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.